Good morning! Let's rise and shine and begin today with enthusiasm. Let's break the fast and break bread with the family, friends, and loved ones with a hearty breakfast to kick off a great day. Hello fellow food trippers! Please join us on this food trip for a breakfast buffet at the spectrum of the luxurious and elegant Fairmont Makati on Arnaiz Avenue, Makati City. Spectrum's dining area has a bright, spacious, and welcoming ambiance. It is a one-stop dining destination that offers a happy mixture of classic morning meals of Continental, American, Filipino, Indian, Japanese, and Chinese delights to reach a diverse group of clientele. With these expansive selections, Spectrum has taken an active route to include healthy options for wellness at the well-being corner, taking into account any food intolerances and dietary preferences. There are choices for a vegan diet like vegan chia pudding, muesli, and vegan chocolate cake, gluten-free vegetables, and lactose-free oat milk and almond milk. Alongside are the cereals at the cereal station, consumed alone or combined with raisins, nuts, seeds, and milk choices for taste and texture. The dessert station is also laden with healthy pressed fruits like Fuji apples, dalandan, pears, oranges, and kiwis, with the slices of papayas, watermelons, dragon fruits, pineapples, and cantaloupes. At the same time, the refreshments corner has locally sourced fruits, farmed responsibly, and freshly made into fruit juices of ripe mangoes, coconut, and oranges, and the healthy blends of spiced tomato juice, citrus ginger, and apple carrot juice. What a refreshing start to perk up the day! At the salad and appetizer station, one can create an amazingly versatile salad of mixed greens with various appetizers of cured meats like salchichon, chorizo, bresaola, and lionere, kinds of cheeses, smoked salmon, and smoked peas, paired with an English sandwich and the soft and spongy ham and cheese laugen. Other choices at the bread station are freshly baked wheat bread, loaf bread, bread rolls, croissants, fruit dainies, and muffins with preserves of orange marmalade and spreads of raspberry compote. Other special treats worth mentioning are the breakfast crepes and kaya toast. American breakfast has some boiled, fried, and scrambled eggs with pineapple glazed ham, chicken sausage, herb-crusted tomato, hash browns, pork bacon, and mushroom casserole. Additionally, with the wide selection of delicious morning meals at the buffet, Spectrum chefs have crafted breakfast delights prepared a la minute, making the meal selection easier and more pleasurable. These carefully chosen and thoughtfully presented meals are the Eggs Benedict, an American breakfast dish consisting of 2 halves of English muffin, each topped with smoked salmon or Parma ham, poached eggs, and hollandaise sauce. The fluffy and flavorful egg white omelet, folded with onions, peppers, tomatoes, and cheese. The HUEVOS Rancheros, a Mexican dish prepared with 2 sunny-side-up eggs, crispy tortillas, salsa, and beans. The French toast, a dish made of sliced bread soaked in beaten egg, milk or cream, then pan-fried, drizzled with powdered sugar, and served with whipped butter, maple syrup, or honey. Next is the fluffy pressed buttermilk pancakes, served traditionally with bacon, butter, maple syrup, or honey. Then the mini bagel, spread with cream cheese, filled with smoked salmon, red onions, and capers. And last but not least is the sweet breakfast crepe of the day. We indulge in the Filipino favorite breakfast of garlic fried rice and fried egg, known as silogs, served with beef tapa, chicken tocino, pork tocino, and pork longganisa. Most Pinoys love their champurrado or chocolate porridge, paired with fried danggit, smoked tinapa, smoked bangus, or daing na bangus. Other meal choices are tortang itlog, pork spring roll, lomi, and arroz caldo. These hearty meals are perfectly paired with the Filipino hot chocolate drink, Chocolate de Batirol, and finished with the iconic street food, taho. The Indian section has sambar, a lentil-based vegetable stew in tamarind broth, the rawa apma, a flavorful staple made with semolina flour, and alo bhaji, a curried spiced potato dish, best paired with breads of masala puri and medu vada, served with coconut and tomato chutneys. The Japanese sushi bar has some sushis, while the Chinese section delighted us with soaked buns of asado and bola-bola siopao. Japanese siomai, yangchow fried rice, stir-fried noodles, mami noodles in wonton soup, and youtiao, a fried breadstick also known as Chinese donut sticks, normally eaten with sugar or condensed milk, or as an accompaniment to rice congee. We enjoyed our meals with cup after cup of hot green tea and specialty coffees of cappuccino and the sweet mocha throughout the buffet. excellent service, the spacious dining area, the quiet ambience, the eye-catching herbal plant pennywort on the table, and the repertoire of delicious foods at the buffet make Spectrum an enticing and exciting food trip destination that awakens the senses and energizes the body as well, making an ordinary morning with family and friends transforms into an extraordinary moment. For inquiries and reservations, call Spectrum at 632-8555-9840. On our next food trip at Sam's 2, Bertis north of the Vikings Group. Please subscribe, like, share, and comment down below. Thank you for watching.